giving me an opportunity to speak about merits and demerits of online and offline classes. I'm Khushi Agarwal. I study in sixth class. The merits of online classes are that when we have to go somewhere out, like out of station, so we can attend the classes while traveling. And the demerits of online classes are that it affects our eyes while attending the online classes, and the study is proper in the schools while in the online classes. And uh, the activities like dancing, singing, and PT periods are more enjoyable in the schools.
Wow, wonderful, Khushi, wonderful thought. Thanks, beta, very good, very confident, and the beginning was really beautiful. Now next, who want to speak? Now who would like to?
Ma'am,
Nimrat, yeah.
yes.
Yes, Nimrat.
Thanks for giving this opportunity to share my views on merits and demerits of online studies. I am Nimrat Kaur. I read in sixth standard. Merits of online classes. We are able to attend the classes uh, while traveling, or we are visited anywhere through mobile or laptop. We are able to attend our class are in our homes safely. There is no need to go to school to study. Merits of online classes. We are not able to meet our friends when we are attending the classes. When we are attending the class on mobile or laptop, it affects our eyes much. And if there's PT period, games period, or dance period, it is more enjoyable in the school. That's why the this is demerits of online classes. Thank you.
Wonderful, Nimrat. Thanks for your thoughts, beta. Very good. Okay, now who want to start? Who want to express views on online and offline classes?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, sure. Krishna. Krishna with the
Okay.
introduction. With the introduction.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, I am Krishna Modi of class 6th. Today I am here to share my views about merits and demerits of online and offline
Demerits.
classes.
It's not dismerits, it's basically demerits. Okay?
Demer-
Demerits. Yeah.
okay. Thank you for giving me a chance for this. Merits. In online classes, we can take class from anywhere, like we are going to somewhere, then we can also take class from there. We are safe at home, no fear for getting kidnapped. Demerits are due to online classes, the vision of our eyes are getting less. Therefore, some children are suffering from eye disease. We cannot do physical activities like dance, PT, etc. in online classes. Thank you.
Very good and very confidently you delivered, Krishna. Very good, beta. Very good. Yes, now Ashmita and Harshita left. Who want to speak now?
Um, can I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, you're audible. Yes, Ashmita, tell.
My, my name is Ashmita and I read in class 7. Here I am. Uh,
I'm going to express my views.
I am going to express my views on online studies, marriage. If we are going somewhere on vacation, so we can able to attend class. If demerits, if the internet had gone, then we are not able to listen what can teacher says, and we will miss what can teacher taught us.
Ashmita,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please express me again? Just
Okay,
points
ma'am.
what you shared. Yeah.
Ma'am, from marriage.
Yes, yes.
Marriage. If we are going somewhere, so we can able to attend the class. Demerit if the internet had has gone, so the class can disconnect, and if we can rejoin, then we will miss what teacher taught us.
Okay. Okay, Ashmita, do me a favor. After the class, please record this and send me. Okay. There are some grammatical issues that I'll tell you on WhatsApp. Okay. There are some
Mm,
grammatical errors that can be rectified. I'll tell you. Okay. Yes. Now, Harshita. Harshita.
First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to tell about the merits and dismerits of online and offline classes.
Demerits. Demerits. It's not dismerits. It's demerits.
Okay, ma'am. This is Harshita Singhal, who is going to tell you about the uh, merits and demerits of offline and online classes. The advantages of online classes are that, first of all, it becomes very easy for us to attend the online classes from anywhere. So we would not be able to miss our classes. Second thing, in offline classes, our teachers used to dictate us the assignments, and the slow writers could not write the assignments. In online classes, we get our assignments PDF in the WhatsApp only, so assignments can't be missed. So these are the advantages of online classes. Disadvantages are that sometimes we are not able to understand the chapter, understand the topic that teachers told us because of network issues. The teacher's voice gets echo, so that's why. These are the disadvantages of online classes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Harshita. Very good and nicely interpreted. Okay. Can I have Purva and Dharvi now? Purva, Dharvi, have you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with your topic of offline and online classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Any one of you? Any one of you?
ma'am, I will start with demerits.
I'm going to start. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm starting with demerits. I'm starting with demerits. Yeah, okay. I'll start with demerits. That's also correct. Yeah, start. Okay, but with the introduction, as I told you that first of all, thank you for giving me and all.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yeah.
The demerits are that, ma'am, what are demerits? I am confused.
Disadvantages.
Of online class.
Yeah, disadvantages.
So, hello everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Purva Bansal, and I study in New Era Public School that is situated in Dholpur. My mother's name is Dr. Gunjan Bansal and my father's name is Dr. Himanshu Bansal. And I have two siblings. And my hobby is dancing because it rejuvenates my mind and body. And I want to be a doctor because I want to serve my country. Thanks. So I will share some views of demerits.
Wait a minute, Purva. First of all, beta, whenever you are trying to share any topic, no need to tell about your parents and all and all and all. No need to do that. only just say thanks to your audience, that thank you for giving me this chance. And I am Purva Bansal from class 7th. So today I'm going to share my point of view, my views on online versus offline classes. That's it. No one has concerns with what's your parents' name and all, what you want to become and all. It's a public speaking, beta, right? Yes, Purva.
So the demerits are there. Children cannot listen because of
Children. Children is itself a plural word. So children.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Children cannot listen due to the connectivity problem, and many times the children shut the video and they got mute, and then they don't listen to the teacher what the teacher says.
Okay, very good. And they indulge themselves in mischievous activities rather
Yes,
than studying. They indulge themselves in playing some games or doing some, different things. Very good. Anything else you would like to share? Yeah.
and ma'am, in exams of online classes, the children just shut the camera and then they start cheating.
You're right. Very right.
But
Okay.
okay, ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. You have only written demerits.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Where is Dharvi?
Ma'am, I have one merit only.
Okay, tell one merit.
We can take online class anywhere. Like if we are in Jaipur, then we can also take class in Jaipur.
Okay.
We can take online class anywhere.
Okay, great. Now can I have Dharvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, beta, share your point of view.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have only written demerits. I will tell you about my merits tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Share with us whatsoever you have written.
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Dharvi Bansal, and today I am going to. Ma'am, can I start one more time?
Yeah, start with what?
No, ma'am. No. Hello, everyone. Thank you for giving me chance to tell my point of view on online study. So I have here with some of my demerits. Due to the lack of connection, we can't listen to what man says in online classes. Even we can't express what the problem we are having in this chapter due to the lack of connection. Second, due to this, our eyes are destroying and many of us have many eye issues and headache. We even have eye redness. And some children also gain ma'am, what we call that spectacles in our eyes. And third, children also indulge themselves and keep their camera off.
I don't know why, Dharvi, when you are speaking now, your voice modulation is like sometimes increased, sometimes decreased, sometimes you are audible, sometimes your voice is gone. It is something like that. Okay.
Ma'am, then I will make that video and send you.
That would be better. Even I said Ashmita also right now, because even I usually say all of you to make a video or either record yourself and send it to me so that I can listen to that and I'll rectify your mistakes where you are putting is, where you're putting am or was, were, because this is the stage. Dekho, right now you are in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and all. So this is a stage when if your grammar is rectified, if your tenses is correct, then for long you can make sentences and question answers on your own. And if you'll commit these kind of mistakes, it might reduce your marks, because initially in 6th and 7th no one bothers, even in 8th also no one bothers, but after 8th, from 9th, of course you have to frame answers on your own. And if your tenses part is correct, and when you are using right form of tenses, then of course you can form a answer also perfectly. Okay, so let me now discuss with this topic with all of you. Thank you all of you for uh, giving your perspectives. Thank you so much, all of you. So, well, let us talk about this topic now. What I have written about this. Well, basically, I would like to notify you with some words that are very prevalent